Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a newsletter in Canva. So let's use our Canva interface. Let's search for our newsletter. You can see this is newsletter. Which one do you want to create? So I'm going to click on newsletter here now. Okay, let's wait for Canva to load our template so that we can customize one. Okay, now let's customize this one now. This summer fashion. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to customize this now. And if you want to create a blank, you can go and create your blank, add your text, add your pictures and everything you wanted to do. But here I'm going to customize a newsletter for you to see that it is very easy to customize. You can see this is a newsletter now. You can change the name of this. Let's change the name now to something random. Click on edit here. Then you can change the name to alright something random that you want and a class. Okay, so here now I can change the word anything. You can just change anything. You're welcome to my brand. You can see you can change anything. You can change anything here. You can change anything here. Just type anything. Just you can change the color of this. You can let's change the color of this. Let's change the color of this to black. You can see you can change this color too. You can change this color. You can animate. Let me change it to this. You can animate this one now. Let's see. You can see braid. You can see it is very easy. Just apply to all pages. Then this is it. Come here. Let's play it now. You can see this is it. This is it. Very easy, very easy. You can see you can remove this and change it. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.